Exclusive moment, yeah, it will. Huh?
Exclusive.
So that's what I said, exclusive. People who will be online with us that time will be able to see that exclusive house for a quick minute, maybe. Because we'll be just showing you the glimpse of the house from the outside. That's it. It's one of the beautiful houses on the beach. Like really beautiful. So this is Olon.
But people should not litter on the beach.
Yeah, they should not litter any beach. Exactly. Especially in this beach, they have what? How many turtles come here? 5. 5.
Out of 7 sea turtles in the world, 5 turtles have beaching in Ecuador.
Beaching in
Nesting,
Ecuador.
nesting.
Okay.
And out of them, only 2 of them are exclusively in Ecuador, out of entire South American coast. So those are protected areas.
Yeah.
This is also one of them.
So this is one of the places where you.
But still litter. But still,
Yes. So that is why littering, camping, and riding on the beach is not allowed because there might be
at one point of
turtles.
time, there are volunteers that try to take care of it.
Yes. So take a walk on the beach with us, people who are coming online. Let's take a walk on the beach. Let me show you one of the magical places on this beach of Olon, right?
Yes, yes.
That
It's a
place,
magical country.
it is a magical country and it is a magical
Couple
place.
of hours, you are in the mountains, in the Andes, and couple of hours you are in the Pacific.
Is the Pacific. Yes. And I have always tried to show you that beautiful color I was telling you about, but I am not able to capture that anywhere. In none of the waves. But the color comes in when just before the wave is about to crash. This is the house we were telling you about. It's a very beautiful, very actually one of the posh houses in this vicinity, and it has a beautiful landscape. You can see. Look at that.
Vamos a la playa.
Vamos a la playa. Till the end. Yes.
It's a crab hole.
I don't know if see you can see this, but can you see the small ones? These are all crab holes.
But this.
That's a big one because you may have
Another
the
one.
mother staying there. There are two or three. Why? Huh? Working out on the beach. Oh, you're posing, huh? Is there a wave of that phenomenon, that color that we see when the waves are crashing? No, right? Is there a name? That color of because of the color? No. It's just the.
Must be a name.
There might be a name. We don't know.
But that's too technical to get into.
Yeah, because.
We are not the specialists.
Yeah, we are not that specialist.
But the point is,
It's
at this
beautiful.
point of time, the Humboldt current is retrieving.
Yes, no,
In the
and
coming months, it will be hotter.
it will be hotter. Yes, in the coming months, it's going to be hotter. This weather.
February onward.
February, December end, I guess. And since this is Pacific Ocean, so when you search for Pacific blue, you get to see the Pacific blue color. But the color that I am talking about, is not Pacific blue. It is something different. Box.
I don't think
So
you will be able to see the
No.
platform.
Oh no, not today. Not today.
And it is dangerous to go there.
No, we are not going to the platforms. I don't know if we are going to even see the thing that we wanted to see. There was not much of water. You will see so many pebbles now. These pebbles were not there. Oh my god. Look at this. hidden gem. It has its own ecological system and it's beautiful. And when I say beautiful, it's more than what it is. It's more like magical because you're enjoying it. Name of the location, which country and which beach. Okay, so as I have mentioned earlier, this part of this is
Sand is dark because of volcanic.
yes, this place is Olon. The place is called Olon. It is located. This is located in Ecuador. So we are on this beach that's in Ecuador. So this is an Olon. This place is called Olon Beach, Playa de Olon. Okay. So now, you see the waves crashing. Oh my God, crashing on the rocks. But the thing is, the part that I wanted to show you guys, I don't think so that is going to be possible today because the water is really a lot. Thank you, Mansi, for following us. Thank you so much.
Gracias.
That means a lot. Guys, if you really like what all our content, because our content is about food and travel, so I'm about to fall. Oh my God. So have a look. This is a hidden gem of Olon Beach. You won't find many people coming here because people don't want to take a walk on this part of the beach because it's a long walk. So you won't find much people going here.
It's taken us
It
1
took
hour
us-
exactly.
Yeah, it took us 1 hour if you want
Started
to.
at 12:48
Yeah.
there.
So it is 1 hour.
Yes, 1:40.
Okay. So usually they say that it takes 2 hours. First time.
No, they said 2 hours too.
Oh, 2 hours. Yes. If you want to spend time here, the 2 hours is like to and fro. But usually if you come to this part of the beach, you would want to spend some time. This is Olon. This beach is Olon Beach, and it's a very beautiful and a very peaceful beach. And it's located in Ecuador. Have a look. Have a look here. There are a lot of things I wanted to show you guys, but I had no idea that if we come today, the beach is going to be filled with water. I mean, this part of the beach is going to be filled with water. Otherwise, the last time we came, we were able to walk till there. We were able to walk till there, right?
Yes,
Last time we came, that time, till there.
And
this,
you can see the rocks.
you can, I don't know, I can't see.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
You can see these rocks.
You can see some rocks.
Like a platform.
Yeah. So these are some platforms there. So you can actually see these rocks which become like platforms. So when you come here, you can stand. You can take some nice, beautiful photos. It's amazing. It's amazing. But today we cannot do that, and we cannot go any further because the water has risen up a little bit, so we don't want to go. Otherwise, if you come on a day when maybe the water level is not this high, you can actually walk till there, and
Do you love me, Matthew?
you can see that the place has its own ecological system. There is a church here.
No more secrets.
But the most beautiful part of the church is that what? Okay. Yeah, the local community has invested. Yeah, they have. So you have heard what?
They kind of have Olon, Mona Lisa, and Aenge, kind of it. So they have kind of a community. This is appreciation so that everyone gets
the church that we were talking about. But yes, they do that, and it's a very beautiful church. But there is one more thing about it, is that when you visit the church, you get one of the spectacular views, of the beach and the Pacific Ocean. I need to walk. Let's see how far can we go. The sand on the beach is black because it is not a the city, I mean the country is in the volcanic zone. So most beaches have this kind of sand. So yeah, so they have a maximum number of volcanoes. I don't think so we can walk. We can go there. Okay, finally we made it here till here, and look what I found. A coral or an oyster, I don't know. Yeah, whale watching. That
And
side.
few 100 kilometers over there, but that is more preferable, which is known as Puerto Cuyo.
Puerto Cayo.
Wow.
Cayo.
Cayo.
Puerto
Yes,
Cayo,
Cayo.
yes. So there are, yes. Like my husband said, Puerto Cayo. Oh, Puerto Cayo is, no, I'm not, I'm just above the water. It's like, so yes, Puerto Cayo is on that side. We went to Puerto Lopez actually. So we can go to Puerto Lopez and do whale walking here.
Whatever you see in
Anyone-
Puerto Lopez, you have to buy 80% of that.
So anyone who wants to know how the experience is or what is the experience of whale watching here, we have a... Oh, Mansi is saying that she is unable to leave our life because she's actually afraid. Thank you so much, Mansi. Thank you so much. We appreciate it a lot. It means a lot. Thank you so much for showing all that love. We wanted to tell one more thing, that since we are talking about whale watching, we have a video of a reel of whale watching that we have done, the whole experience of that whole trip that we had. So feel free to go there, have a look at that whale watching reel. It was fun, although I got seasick. I don't even know why, because I had no experience like that I never got seasick, even though I have been on boats and ferries on different seas or oceans, but I never knew that I will be experiencing this. It was, oh my god.
Expert tip, always sit on the back of the boat,
Yes, expert tip.
because the front,
Yes, always sit.
like
Right. Always sit on the back of the boat. It's really, if you have that tendency, definitely she'll watch it up. Thank you so much. Do watch
but
it.
if
You.
but
Ow.
as soon as they get into the boat,
Yeah.
by looking at your face, they will definitely offer you the seat. So take their advice. They're experienced people. That's their job.
So next time, Mansi, you have a tip here. Anyone is listening or not, I don't care, but you have a tip here. So next time you get a chance to get on a boat to go in the middle of the ocean almost.
Anyway.
This is the trip.
Sit where the driver or the person who is managing the people ask you to sit.
Yeah. Always listen to
know
them.
you.
They will look at your face and they'll tip again. Thank you so much for staying with us and following us, and we are glad that we could make you happy and we could show you this. If you had some Monday blues, I hope we were able to get this out, you get your Monday blues out. So stay connected, keep a track of what we are doing. Do let us know if you like something and if you don't like something, so that if you have some suggestions, maybe we can help you. We can help ourselves with your suggestions. Okay? And yes, we would love to meet you too. Okay, Mansi. Bye bye.